Hello students, in this video you have to learn about some insects and animals which acts as an carriers of disease causing microbes. So let us understand this topic by taking one example. So we will take one example of one insect, right, that acts as a carriers of disease causing microbes. So that is housefly. Now imagine where houseflies are found. Mainly houseflies are found on garbage and animal excreta. Apart from there, wherever you find the things are dirty, not clean, at that place you will find the housefly. And the garbage and animal excreta, what it contains? It contains this disease causing microbes, that is pathogens they contain, right? So when houseflies sit on garbage or animal excreta, that pathogens stick to their bodies. Okay, and when this flies, right, now containing pathogens, when sit on uncovered food, they may transfer the pathogens on that uncovered food. And afterwards, whosoever will eat the contaminated food is likely to get sick, right? So now the food is containing that pathogen on it, and one person is eating that food, means pathogen enters in that healthy person's body, and due to that contaminated food, person may fall sick. So what is advisable now? It is advisable to always keep the food covered, right? The better thing is one should eat fresh food. Okay, but suppose you want to eat food after some times, then you must cover that food to protect that food from houseflies, because houseflies contains pathogens. Okay, pathogens are nothing but disease causing microbes. Okay, as well as one thing you have to do, that is avoid consuming uncovered food items of food, like mainly street food. Have you observed that street food most of the time remains uncovered? Uncovered means you will notice that housefly easily sit on that particular food, and when once houseflies are sitting on food, that means they are transferring pathogens on that food and contaminating that food. And that contaminated food, if you eat, definitely you will fall sick. Okay, now another example of carrier of disease causing microbes, that is female anopheles mosquito. Female anopheles mosquito, which carries the parasite of malaria. So the pathogen this female anopheles contain, that is parasite. Okay, and the disease that is caused by this pathogen parasite, that is malaria. Okay, one more example of carriers of disease causing microbes, that is female Aedes mosquito, right? And it acts as a carrier of dengue virus. So which pathogen this female Aedes mosquito contain? That is, it contains dengue virus. Okay, now which disease is caused due to this pathogen? That is dengue, or dengue you can pronounce like this. Okay, so these three carriers of disease causing microbes you have learned. Okay, so when they bite this mosquito, two types of mosquito, when they bite, they transfer this pathogen to healthy person's body and make them sick. Next, now the important one that you have to remember, that how you can protect yourself from this attack of mosquitoes. So you need to find out the places, right, or reasons through which this mosquitoes reproduces easily. So that ways you have to reduce. Once you reduces that ways, easily you can reduce the number of mosquitoes. So mostly mosquitoes breed in water. Breed means they lay eggs mainly in water only, right? So if you remove the stagnant water, right, at your place, then what you can say, uh, mosquitoes will not breed in water, and when they will not breed, right, number of mosquitoes will reduce. Okay, one should not let water collect anywhere like in coolers as well as in tires, flower pot, etc. Okay, कहीं पे भी पानी नहीं भरा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि पानी होगा दे विल ले एग्स, मॉस्किटोज विल ले एग्स, एंड व्हेन दे ले एग्स what we can say that their number will increase, and once the number will increase, right, the chances are that they attack on you, they bite you, and they transfer that pathogen in your body and you fall sick. Okay, now by keeping the surrounding clean and dry, we can prevent mosquitoes from breeding. Okay, surrounding you have to keep clean and dry. Okay, now other ways, you have to list out the other ways with the help of which you can avoid the spread of malaria. मलेरिया को रोकना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको, ये फीमेल एनोफिल्स मॉस्किटो जो है उनको बढ़ने से रोकना पड़ेगा. अगर वो रुक गए तो मलेरिया का जो स्प्रेड है वो भी कम हो जाएगा, राइट. सो हाउ कैन यू स्टॉप दैट? You can say that while during the night you can use mosquito net while sleeping. Okay, or you can use the liquids or coils that are used, right, to kill mosquitoes. Okay, next, any other things? Nowadays creams are available in market, right, that protects you from attack of mosquitoes. So you can apply that cream on your body when you are going out of the house, means you are going in any garden place. In garden also what you will found, now more number of mosquitoes are there, so chances are there they may bite you and transfer the pathogen in your body. So when you are going in a garden, then you may apply the cream that protects you from attack of mosquitoes. Okay, so these are the ways. Any other ways or any other measures that comes in your mind, that also you can note down. Okay, now next, that is the table is given to you. Now the diseases that are there in human being, right, which microorganism causes that particular disease, right, and how that is transferred in human being. So mode of transmission that you have to learn, and preventive measures that you have to learn, means हम वो बीमारी से कैसे बच सकते हैं, preventive measures. तो उसके रिगार्डिंग एक टेबल दिया गया है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेबल में क्या दिया है, कौन सी डिसीज़ दी है, ट्यूबरकुलोसिस दी है, दैट इज़ टीबी. टीबी जो है वो कौन से माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म के अटैक से होता है, तो वो बैक्टीरिया के अटैक से होता है. एंड मोड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन, मतलब कैसे वो हेल्दी पर्सन को बीमार कर सकता है, तो थ्रू एयर. मोड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन इज़ एयर. सो इफ़ वी द पर्सन इज़ ब्रीथिंग the air containing the pathogen, right, that causes disease called tuberculosis, person suffer through this particular disease. Okay, now measles, that is caused by which microorganism, that is caused by virus, and mode of transmission, that is air only. Chicken pox, that is caused by virus, and mode of transmission is air and contact with an infected person. Polio again caused by virus, and how it is transmitted, that can be transmitted from air and water. Okay, now preventive measures. What are the preventive measures one can protect themselves from this diseases? That is, keep the patient in complete isolation. सभी लोगों से दूर कर दो, अकेले रखो. Keep the personal belongings of the patient away from those of others. मतलब पर्सनल बिलोंगिंग्स, मतलब द थिंग्स दैट इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन इज़ यूजिंग, लाइक हैंकरचीफ, राइट, बॉटल, ग्लास, राइट, बाउल, प्लेट, napkin, right, these are all personal belongings. So the personal belongings of patient one should keep away from other person's belongings. Okay, vaccination to be given at suitable stage. मतलब ये पर्टिकुलर डिसीज़ है ना, ये सभी की जो है वैक्सीन्स अवेलेबल है. तो वैक्सीन हर एक एज में नहीं दी जाती ना, स्पेसिफिक एज में वैक्सीन दी. सो अगर इन सभी की वैक्सीन्स अगर सूटेबल एज में अगर हम दें तो उससे भी हम जो है ये डिसीज़ से बच सकते हैं. Okay, now next is about cholera and typhoid. Cholera and typhoid. Cholera is caused by bacteria, even typhoid is caused by bacteria, but cholera can be transferred through water and food, contaminated water and food. Typhoid can be transmitted through contaminated water only. Now how to prevent, means how to protect yourself from this particular disease, that is maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habits. Okay, so clean and neat, right, clothes you need to wear, clean and neat places you have to keep in your surrounding. Okay, consume properly cooked food and boiled drinking water. Okay, if you are suffering from this particular disease, then one should use properly cooked food, right. कच्चा खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए, या फिर जो हाँ यस कच्चा खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए, जो प्रॉपरली कुक्ड फूड है वही खाना चाहिए तो इजीली वो डाइजेस्ट हो सके, राइट. एंड बॉइल्ड ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. ओके, तो पानी को उबाल के फिर पीना चाहिए. एंड वैक्सीनेशन, ये दो पर्टिकुलर डिसीज़ की भी वैक्सीनेशन अवेलेबल है. सो वैक्सीनेशन दोगे तो भी ये डिसीज़ नहीं होगी. नाउ हेपेटाइटिस बी, दैट इज़ ट्रांसमिटेड और नो दैट इज़ कॉज्ड बाय माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, दैट इज़ वायरस. And mode of transmission, that is spread through contaminated water. How one should prevent it, that is drinking boiled drinking water as well as by vaccination you can protect yourself from this particular disease. Malaria that is caused by microorganism called protozoa. Okay, and mode of transmission, that is mosquito, right. Which mosquito? Female anopheles contain this protozoa. Okay, preventive measures, that is use mosquito net and repellents, spray insecticides and control breeding of mosquitoes by not allowing water to collect in the surroundings. Okay, so these are the preventive measures. Okay, so that's it for today. Next thing we will discuss in next video.